Welcome to my channel. Please press subscribe to get all my latest films, and welcome to part 2 of my Ferrari F8 Tributo review. This is Ferrari's £200,000 two-seater tribute to its multi-award-winning V8 engine, which I thoroughly enjoyed in the last film. Now it's the turn of the car's handling. There are two big things that I love about Ferraris. One is the engine, two is the handling. Now, I know that I said this car was £200,000. It's actually got £125,000 worth of options. But come on, who's going to say no to £20,000 worth of carbon fibre trim? Or these carbon fibre seats laced in leather and Alcantara? Now, the jewel in the crown for me is this Manettino, which literally means little switch. You've got wet setting, which softens everything up for the wet. Then there's sport, race, traction control off, and electronic stability control off. I like to think of it as the key to the toy box. Fantastic. Fourth, third. What should I go second really? Turn it. Boot the throttle. Oh. Oh my gosh, I love going sideways. There are two magic ingredients to this car's handling. One is slide slip control and the other is dynamic enhancement plus. And basically they work together to make this F8 more easy to handle when you're on the limit, when you're in certain modes. I have got the full gamut off because I like to be in control, but there is that reassurance, that safety net, that little guardian angel that will cut in if it thinks that you need it. Oh, turn the wheel, boot the throttle. Got such a great feel as well. It's heavy, but it's got lovely feedback. It just dances around its front end, which is fantastic, and I can place the car so accurately. And then, of course, I'm surrounded by that awesome noise from the fantastic V8 engine. It's so fantastic that I am going to pay my own homage, my own tribute to it by letting it tour for one lap of Thruxton Circuit, one of the fastest circuits in the UK. It is a fantastic bit of kit. Not quite enough to knock the 458 Italia off its perch in my eyes, but I love the car for its steering, its sounds and its slides. There is a downside though. The name Tributo could signal the end to Ferrari making V8 engines without hybrid or electric assistance. If that is the case, then wow, what a swan song. The F8 Tributo, what a tribute. One more lap.